So hey cuties, it's your Kpcutie with another video. Today we're in Walmart. I look like a high school kid. Shut up. Sure. Oh, this is pretty. I like that. I like this one too. Oh no! Oh Hannah. Another stitch. Ooh, the plaids. Ooh, this fur jacket's good. I like this fur jacket. Ooh, it got deep pockets. It got deep pockets.
Y'all get a older one.
It might be able to sure be cold.
Oh, they
Ooh, they got black ones. They got black ones. My hand feels soft. I need to get another pair of one of these because I run my other ones. I might repaint them. I don't know, I might put another design on them, just clean them up. Give me this.
No. Can you take this one?
Hi guys, it's Kpcutie in front of the camera. Ooh, oh, like a bug.
If I would have had these on, then you wouldn't been seeing my outfits ugly.
Yeah, that's true. Ooh, don't mind my hair. I stuffed my hair in my shirt because I just put this hoodie on before we walked to the store. But my earrings, my outfit, don't know why I look like college. I look like a high school kid for a post stuff. But I look cute, like, yes. But we're in Walmart now. As you see, we did in clips of this where I was talking and doing all this stuff. But I was seeing these combat boots, like, look how cute these. I love combat boots, and I seen it so other ones that I really like so much. These like combat boots, like I want these boots. I want the boots. I think I'm obsessed. Yes, they still have these.
No, is it? Girl, just to get a little whiff of life.
Ooh, they got more of them. And they're $5. They got even the spray thing. The one that goes in your thing.
Girl, stop lying.
I don't
And the
like.
candle.
Oh yes. You're gonna be decked out with smell goods. Apple cinnamon.
She put me in there.
Sip by sip. Oh, that's good stuff, ain't it? Meet. Little road runner. I was running the road and stuff. I'm thinking about getting coffee. I'm thinking about getting coffee. I'm thinking about getting coffee. Especially Frappuccino. I like mocha, vanilla, regular coffee, and then espresso. I can't pronounce the name, but latte. I don't never try this, but I'm not too keen about trying that. But I'm definitely good with these ones. Like these are good. I'm not doing that because I can't be taking stuff like this because Me, if I did the stuff that my mom gave me when she had her espresso thing, dude, I started bouncing off the walls. I swear to God, I'm really hyper as is. At 100 weeks, oh, I'm gonna burn out. Look at that black ones. She's back on her phone again.